Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago and in today's video we are going to cover the Sui airdrop that nobody is doing. This is a very interesting project on the Sui ecosystem, and one of the applications of this project was built directly by Sui itself. So I think that gives you a very clear picture on how the Sui ecosystem and the Sui company itself is going to be supporting this project. And this is an airdrop that is free to do, and I don't see too much hype about this on social media, so let's go and cover it directly. This project is called Walrus, and this is a decentralized storage and data availability protocol designed specifically for large binary files or blobs. Walrus focuses on providing a robust but affordable solution for storing unstructured content on decentralized storage nodes while ensuring high availability and reliability even in the presence of Byzantine faults. So this is a little bit technical, but basically it's a project that is behind decentralized storage and data availability. So important points is that the testnet was launched in October, and this launch was after a successful devnet. So even if this has already 1 month since we have the testnet, there's a reason why I'm doing this video right now. And that is because we have some NFTs that we need to collect that I think are going to be very important for this airdrop. Another important thing about this protocol is that the staking app was built directly by Mr. Labs, which is the company behind Sui itself. And that is also confirmed here on a very casual mood. You can see that the staking app was built by Mr. Labs, and of course if you check Mr. Labs and if you know about the Sui ecosystem, they are actually the company behind Sui itself. So that gives me a lot of confidence that this project is going to succeed and it's going to be backed up by Sui all over the process. And because it's a centralized storage, it's very important and probably one of the biggest projects on Sui ecosystem on this niche. Now, how you can participate on the testnet right now, everything that you can do is in this step by step. So let's go first with the point 1, you will need the Sui wallet. Once you get the Sui wallet, you need to click on the settings and change it into the testnet. If you don't have the Sui wallet, here is the link for Chrome extension. So you can go directly to that link and add your Sui wallet extension or search it for yourself just to be sure, confirm that you are in the correct URL. Always check many times that you are downloading the real stuff. So in this case, when you have the Sui wallet, like you can see here, you need to go here to the settings, and in network, if you are in mainnet, you need to click here on testnet. So you need to be in the testnet because this is free to do, and this is in testnet stage. So once you are in the testnet, you go to the step 2, which is you need to get Sui testnet tokens. You can do that in the official Discord of Sui, but you also can go to this link of the faucet of blockvault.io, which is here. Just put your address here, your Sui address that you of course get from your Sui wallet. So here you can copy here your address, put your address here and click give me Sui. You will receive 1 Sui token, which of course doesn't have any value. This is testnet, and with that you are going to be able to do all the actions on the next step. So the next step is that you need to stake on the Walrus application, and this one is the one built by Mr. Labs. So go to this link, connect your wallet. Then you will see a button that says get wall, so you get the wall tokens. Then you can exchange Sui to wall, and I recommend you to swap at least 1 Sui token, but of course you can get your faucet tokens more than 1 time, so at least 1 time per day. So do this over a couple of days so you interact and you get some volume there. So going here to the application, you connect here, then you need to click this button, get wall, and I will put 0.4 Sui tokens because I'm going to stake this. So I want to change to wall half of my Sui right now. So click on exchange. You need of course to pay on the transaction fee. This is of course with your Sui testnet tokens that you have. Exchange was successful, so now you have your wall tokens too. And step 4 is that you need to stake wall. So you can select any node and stake at least 1 wall. So click on stake and approve in the wallet. So right now I will stake less than 1 wall, but you can still do this over the days. Let's say that I want to stake here on Blockscope. So just click on stake, and here you will put the amount that you want to stake. In this case, you need a minimum of 1 wall to stake. So if you put something less than that, you will see that you have an error of minimum stake 1 wall. So you will still need to keep your faucet active. So get more Sui, transform it here into wall, and when you have 1 wall, you can stake it in one of the validators. Now that is all for the part of the application at this time, at the time of recording this video. and now you need to go to Galax and get these two NFTs. The first one and the last NFT that they launched is the Walrus Odyssey Quest. You can see that I have the quiz answers here because one of the things is a quiz. So I will give you the answer for that too. So to do that, you just go to the Galax campaign, and from here you can see that you have down here the other campaign. This is the Walrus Odyssey Quest. You need to follow the social media, be a member on the Rules Discord, visit these URLs, follow this other account, and down here you have the quests. So this quiz is going to be very easy to do because I already have the answers in my post. After you do that, you just can go and claim this NFT. The Walrus Odyssey, I think, is one that is going to be important for the airdrop of this protocol. The other is called the Walrus Started Quest. Even this started on the 21st of October. Doesn't have any end date, so I think you are still available to do it. You also have a quiz here at the end, and I have the answers for that too here. So 0.5 and 6 are to get those two NFTs. And I think it's going to be very valuable for the possible airdrop of this project. And finally, guys, you will need to do this for get the NFTs, but step 7, join the Discord, because there you are going to have all the different news about this protocol and the different things that are being built over Walrus. Also, I recommend you to check their Twitter page because they have 309k followers. This is not a small project, even if the testnet looks like very simple. This is going to be one big project on the Sui ecosystem, and like you know, Sui is very hyped right now. It's not my favorite blockchain, to be honest. I think it's too centralized, the same that happened with Solana. We saw the other week that Sui was out like 1 hour or so. So that is very bad from my perspective. I don't like those type of projects. So that is why Sui is not my favorite, but doesn't mean that the hype that is around Sui, it will make it a good investment. I hold some tokens, and I think all the ecosystem of Sui is going to do it very well on this bull run and altcoin season. So participate on the Walrus testnet. This is free to participate right now, and these two NFTs are going to be very important for the possible airdrop of this protocol. That will be all for this video. Remember that if you want to have alpha information about airdrops and of course all my support and support of experts, you can join to my private Discord. We are super hyped with many airdrops, but of course we also check another stuff like gems to do for this portfolio, meme coins, and many other stuff that you can find in a private Discord. And I also have an application, you can see the video here on how it works, an application that will help you a lot to do airdrop farming, which is the app that I use. I created the app myself, and I know that it's going to help you because I use it for all my airdrop farmings that I do. And finally, remember that we have an NFT collection. You can see there was already 31 Ethereum sold on NFTs. Each of them costs 0.1. You also can sell them to the public. So here you have one that is a little bit cheaper because you also can sell these NFTs. But basically, if you hold the NFT, you are entitled of a 10% monthly on the value of the NFT that you paid. If you have any doubts, we did many videos with Chris, which is our yield farming expert. We did a video first when we launched it, and we also did a video after the second payment here, so you can check everything about that in this video. The 9th of December is the next payment for this NFT. It's always after the first weekend of the month, and we plan to do another video after that to give you all the details on how much have we been paying for all the NFT holders, how many NFTs are being sold, and all about the campaign of these NFTs. If you have any doubts or not sure about how all this is going to play, check on the first link of the description that it will send you to my post with all the information of this video. We also are launching a Telegram that is going to be public. The goal of that Telegram is only for people interested on the NFTs that want to do questions. Boris, I, and Chris are going to be on our Telegram. So please join to that Telegram if you want to buy one of these NFTs and you want to be up to date with anything about this. If you have doubts or anything, you can post it there on the Telegram. That will be all for this video. Remember, before you leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notification. And of course, you can check this video, which is a talk with Chris and Boris about the NFT collection. That will be all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.